In this lecture video we are discussing about this Clemmensen reduction, and here in this Clemmensen reduction what happen when this carbonyl CO functional group means here this is ketone or this is aldehyde. When aldehyde or ketone is heated with this ZnHg, this is zinc amalgam, or this is also called amalgated zinc, and CONG-HCl, the CO carbonyl group change into CH2 group. Therefore this chemical reaction is used for the conversion of aldehyde ketone into hydrocarbon. And especially what is Clemmensen reduction? When aldehyde ketone is heated with mixture of ZnHg CONG-HCl give hydrocarbon by reduction reaction, and this is called Clemmensen reduction. And when you observe in this CO carbonyl group, actually in simple mechanism what happen, this ZnHg CONG-HCl, this mixture give hydrogen or nascent hydrogen. This is simple concept, and this nascent hydrogen reduce this carbonyl group. What happen here? Carbon oxygen hetero bond, both sigma and pi bond dissociate, and two hydrogen atom combine with oxygen to give water molecule, and two hydrogen atom are added in this carbon atom to give CH2 group. And here carbonyl compound ketone change into hydrocarbon alkane. Similarly, when we take aldehyde, here this carbon oxygen both sigma and pi bond dissociate, and from this mixture two hydrogen atom combine with oxygen to give H2O here byproduct water molecule, and two hydrogen atom are added in this carbonyl carbon to give CH2 plus H. Here carbonyl carbon change into CH2H gives CH3, means here all ethene is obtained. And what is the mechanism behind this Clemmensen reduction? When we use this mixture, here at first this HCl molecule ionized to give H plus Cl minus, H plus Cl minus, and this H plus is attracted by lone pair electron present in carbonyl oxygen. When this lone pair electron attract this H plus, this oxygen form bond with oxygen, and the positive charge change into oxygen, or it undergo resonance. And when this pi bond shift towards this positive charge oxygen, here OH group is formed, and this positive charge shift into this carbonyl carbon. And next step, actually what happen in the mechanism, there is zinc metal, and zinc metal from its valence shell give two electron to this positive charge carbon, and when this zinc give two electron to this positive charge, this carbocation become carbanion, change into negative carbanion, and zinc give Zn plus plus. Again, when here in carbon there is formation of carbanion, then this negative charge is attracted by H1, H form bond with this negative charge carbon, and another H attack on the lone pair electron of oxygen. Here one, this lone pair attract one H plus, and this lone pair attract one H plus, and here formation of RCCH, and when one H plus is added in this oxygen give OH2 plus. And next step what happen, there is cleavage of carbon oxygen bond, and this lone pair shift towards oxygen, then give neutral water molecule byproduct H2O. And here again in carbon there is formation of positive charge, again this zinc give two electron to this positive charge carbon, then there is formation of carbanion, again this carbanion attract H plus to give alkane, and here CO group, this CO group change into CH2 group, and this is the mechanism of Clemmensen reduction reaction, and this mechanism is effective for class 12 BS bachelor level as well as for master's level, and here Clemmensen reduction complete.